description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one. It's from a company called Ajimomoto. They're kind of the initial place, excuse me, way back where MSG came from. And this is their Oyakata curry Yakisoba. It's got a funny thing at the bottom. Japanese style noodle dish. Okay. We got one of these. You're going to get used in a minute. And we will talk about what I will be using. So we fill this odd cup up to the line. Here we are. And then we slap this lid on it. Yeah. And then it goes for 3 minutes. So this one, honestly, I'm not gonna, I don't have the paper thing on it anymore, so that's gonna kill my fingers. So I'll just use a regular kitchen strainer. Thank you very much. So, but yeah, how's it going? It's a day. It's 10:48 a.m. on May 12th, 2025. Everybody's got allergies. Nobody feels good. Got one kid homesick from school today. And yeah, this is the second episode of the string of episodes you're going to see where I'm using tofu puffs. I really thought I had something like logical that they would go into, and I didn't. But I don't want them to go bad. So these are the ones that I use. What brand is this anyways? Sunrise tofu puffs. I love these things. If you've never had them and you like curry, this will float your boat like big time. You can make them yourself. Use the wonder of the internet to find them on the internet on how to make them. But yeah, it's just like puffed tofu. They really don't have any flavor to them. They take on the flavor. They've got a really nice texture though. It's not really bready. It's not mushy like tofu, but it's good. It's really nice. And that with like a thick, like a white curry, it works. I'm gonna use it here with in a yakisoba. So in this iteration, I will be taking them and chopping them up real small. I have chicken too, and an egg. Wow, I got it all, baby. And yeah, so that's gonna be cool. Yeah. What else is going on? Oh, I went and saw Becoming Led Zeppelin, which is a really good documentary about Led Zeppelin. Saw it with my buddy Matt, the esteemed author, a few months, a time ago. And it was really good. Saw it in IMAX, and it's out now, so you can see it. I highly recommend watching it, and then watching The Song Remains the Same, which is the tour documentary for the concert at Carnegie Square. No, Carnegie. Is it Madison Square Garden? I don't know why I wanted to call it Carnegie. It's Carnegie Hall, Madison Square Garden. Okay, anyways, we've done what it asked of us. Let's see. Oh my god. Is that what I think it is? I thought this was like chives in here. So the odd thing about this cup is that when you open it up, there's all this vegetable matter and it's staticky. That, I don't know. I'm gonna give it an authoritative. I'm not sure if that's what do you call it? If that's seaweed or chive. So we're gonna put this here. I'm gonna drain the noodle like so. And actually, I'm going to do a magical pivot. See this? Someday you'll be able to do this too. I rotated, I extended my arm, and I grabbed the pot. Now I'm putting the noodles in here. And what's funny, whether it was in the kitchen strainer or not, 90% of that vegetable would not come out. That's ridiculous. Okay, so here we are with our bowl and such. And now we are going to add in the Yakisoba sauce. I'm very curious how this is gonna be. I'm also curious if it contains MSG. It says it's vegan. It won't be by the time I'm done with it. Believe it. But, yeah. And we combine thoroughly. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of that curry liquid stuff. So now, after I'm done with this one and the next one, I've got to figure out what are the ones that I can do next that are going to work with tofu puff. And that will be kind of a tricky one. All right. I'm going to call that combined. Cheers. I don't know. Yeah. Ooh. That's like European curry flavor. There's like this European funky curry that's like, I don't know, Dutch? It tastes more like the seasoning for duck. I would just consider or guess that ducks are from Dutchland. I don't know. But regardless, and this is chicken. A little bit of chicken. But it's got a very odd herbaceous. And basically an odd nature to it that I'm not too keen on. Here comes the tofu. I hope you're ready, willing, and able to watch tofu puff get used in everything for a little while. Don't worry, I'll do it rightly. And now we stir. I think the problem here is neither of these. Whoop. Neither of these are really going to take on the color really nicely, I don't think. Yeah, see that? And that bums me out. I don't like things when I do something like this to stick out like a sore thumb, but ouch, my thumb. It's sore. Okay, so we got that. I think we'll be able to distractify though with the next thing I'm adding in. Yeah, it's a nice day outside. Not too hot, not too cold. Sunny. Not so violently bright. I was putting a cramp in my noodle photography style. Let's do the egg. Oh, I gave it away. Yes. I have an egg. I have. See? Doesn't that make everything all better? I certainly think so. A beauty egg, folks. A beauty egg. I'm going to add some scallion. Usually on yakisoba I'd add some like mayo from a bag with a little tiny hole in it. I don't think I'm gonna today, but I'll add some sesame seed. I don't think that's too far out of the range of proper doings. So there you go. It's kind of a funky curry flavor. I don't think most people are gonna be really thrilled about it. I'm certainly not, but it's interesting. But yeah, watch and enjoy. Whoa, what was that? That sounded like a beached whale horn thing deal. Anyways, that was the deal there. Almost done here, folks. Almost done. That's better. Alright, so that was that, and you liked that because I say you did, and the next one you're going to see is one you really are going to like. This is Prima-Taste fish soup, and I have on good authority you'll never find it in the United States, but go to Singapore. You could get it there. I highly recommend going to Singapore. I haven't been, but I want to go, so there you go. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.